In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video inside text in CapCut on PC. This is a really eye-catching effect you'll often see in trailers, title sequences, and social media edits. And it's actually much simpler to create than it looks once you know where everything is inside CapCut. First, open CapCut on your computer and create a new project. Import the video clip you want to appear inside the text, as well as any background footage or image you want behind it. A quick tip here. Choose a video with good contrast and movement, like waves, city lights, or smoke, so the motion inside the text is easy to see. Next, drag your background onto the main video track in the timeline. This background can be a solid color, an image, or another video. Then drag the clip you want inside the text onto a track above your background. The order is important. The inside text video should be higher than the background so it can be masked properly. Now, add your text. Go to the text section, click to add text, and type the word or phrase you want. Use a bold, thick font, so more of the video shows through and the effect is clearer. Position the text roughly where you want it to appear in the frame, usually centered for titles. Once your text is in place, we'll turn it into a mask for the video. Select the video clip that you want to appear inside the text on the timeline. Then, look for the mask or text mask option in the editing panel. Choose the option that allows you to use text as a cutout, or reveals the video only where the text is. When applied, you should see your video showing through the letters, with the background still visible behind everything else. Adjust the size and position of the text so the most interesting parts of your video are visible inside the letters. You can scrub through the timeline to make sure the motion looks good from start to finish. If needed, extend the duration of your text so it matches the length of the video clip inside it. To polish the effect, you can add a slight shadow or glow to the text layer if CapCut allows, which helps the letters stand out against the background. Finally, preview the entire sequence, make any timing tweaks, then export your video. And that's how you create a clean video inside text effect in CapCut on PC.